This is it. The box is sealed for exactly 48 years. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you the box of the Lego Superhero series from DC Comics, the Batman Classic TV series Batcave. Look at the pieces count, 2,526. I'm showing this box today in this video because in my opinion this is the best graphics on a Lego box. And I have a lot of Lego UCS Star Wars kits, as you probably saw on my channel. I have a lot of Lego Technique. My kids have a lot of Lego sets. And in my opinion, this is the best graphics ever. And I'm going to show you why in the next few minutes. The Batman TV series played for 3 seasons in 1966, 67 and 68, and a few people realized that there were a total of 120 episodes. I want to show you details on the box because, like I said in my intro, this is an amazing box in graphical term. You can see here it comes with a lot of minifigurines. You have, of course, Batman and Bruce Wayne. You have Robin and Dick Grayson. You have Alfred, the Catwoman, the Joker, the Penguin, and the Riddler. So a lot of very nice mini figurines. It comes, of course, with the Batmobile. A lot of people have said that that could be a kit by itself. A lot of details on this Batmobile. By the way, in case you did not know, the original sold in 2013, I believe, at the famous Barrett-Jackson auction in Scottsdale, Arizona, for $4.2 million, believe it or not. The kit comes with also the motorcycle, as you can see. There is, of course, also the helicopter with Robin in it. We can see here the Riddler throwing a pack of dynamite to Robin. Here this is the office of Bruce Wayne. So lots of details. Again, we can see pictures of his mom and father. The opening bookcase with the secret entrance to the Batcave. The emergency phone here connected to the chief of police of Gotham City. And okay, here the statue with the secret button to open the bookcase. And here we have a view of the 2 poles leading to the Batcave. And as you can see here, we have even bats on the in the cave here. And here at the bottom, well known in the series that Batman was a pro in chemistry, so he had like an extensive chemistry lab in his Batcave. And here looks like the Joker is either stealing something or going to throw some kind of chemicals onto the Batmobile. There was also a nuclear reactor in the Batcave, and on top of it we see a Catwoman. And back then, this was funny, in the 50s and 60s, they were using the term atomic pile, which is not used anymore. People say nuclear reactor, but this was kind of funny at the time. Also, if you look at the computers back then, there was no hard drives back then, so it was all on tape, as you can see here, the old computers. So a lot of details on the face of the box. Now if we look at the back of the box, and actually we see now the front of the mansion, again lots of details. As you can see here, there is a cat on the roof. We have here the Riddler going up on a rope, and also here we have Catwoman. We have Alfred outside trying to do something with the harpoon. We have the Batmobile, and details here inside the Batmobile, the motorcycle, the helicopter, the Robin in the helicopter. We have the phone, the secret phone ringing here, the secret button, like I said, under the statue, the bookcase opening, the 2 heroes going down on the poles, and here racing to the Batmobile. And here we have the Penguin with his famous umbrella. The Joker again trying to throw some dynamites at Robin. And typical of the TV series, this is how the TV show was opening all the time, with a kind of a cartoonish picture of Batman and Robin racing towards the camera. What was typical also was there was no blood. Actually, there was no blood. It was funny. There was no blood in that TV series. Almost no violence. They were fighting, but there was no violence like we see in movie theaters today. So you would see wham and pow graphics on the screen, like here, pow, kaboom, kapow. So again, a lot of details here on the back of the box. Now looking at the side of the box, the top side, we have Bruce Wayne, we have Dick Grayson, Alfred, of course Batman, the Catwoman, Penguin with his famous umbrella, like I said, Robin, the Joker again carrying around chemicals. I have no idea what he's trying to do with that, and the Riddler with the dynamite. And here the actual size of the mini figurine, you can see with my finger. So this is your typical mini figurine. Now let's have a look at the bottom side. Nothing special here. We have the logo, or the beam that the police was shooting on the clouds to call Batman and Robin. And here just some text. So nothing special here on this side. Now the small side on the right of the box, we have here in a bigger picture of, like I said, the opening sequence of the TV series with Batman and Robin running towards the camera, and yeah, nothing much here on this side. On the left side of the box, there is a little bit more information. In Latin America, Bruce Wayne and Dick Grayson had different names, which is a little unusual as far as I know. Like Superman was called Clark in all countries, I think. So in Latin America, Bruce Wayne was Bruno Diaz, and Dick Grayson, or Robin, was Ricardo Tapia, and Catwoman was Gatou Bella. And in French, it was Le Joker for the Joker, Le Penguin for the Penguin, and the Riddler, believe it or not, in French was called Le Sphinx. And here we have one of the famous iconic scenes when Batman and Robin were climbing a wall. We all knew about this. It was funny. We all knew about that special effect. They were actually horizontal and they were just showing a wall here, but they were actually on the floor. So that was very funny. Now that we saw the box in details, I'm going to seal it for 50 years. Yes, you heard me correctly, 50 years. It's been already 50 years since 1966, the first season of the TV series. And I'm going to seal this box in the Lego shipping box. I'm going to put a note also to the effect that I don't want my kids to open this box or to sell it before 2066. Of course, they can decide to keep it at that time, or maybe my grandkids will have to make that decision. Our Lego set is inside the shipping box, as you can see, and I wrote the little note that I want to share with you right here, dated today, February 14, 2018. So I wrote, do not open until January 2066. Do not sell before January 2066. You may decide to keep it. Who knows? My kids, even my grandkids, may decide to keep this set. And then I wrote amazing TV series in 1966-68. So I'll leave this note on top of the set. And when they open the box, that's the first thing they will see. Hopefully, not before 2066. This is it. The box is sealed for exactly 48 years.